Hey, it is your favorite remote work enthusiast, Delilah. I am back with several work from home hot leads from an online platform called AppJobs.com. And AppJobs.com is a website where they post work from home and remote work opportunities, and it's based on your area. Because we know sometimes with work from home hot leads, when I talk about where they're open, they're based on certain regions. So I really like this platform because they have it already sectioned off by your region. So for example, if you're in Atlanta like me, even though it is a work from home opportunity, some companies are only hiring for that specific area. And I really like appjobs.com because they have it organized so that you already know if you're looking in your area, that job is something that you could potentially get hired for. So I'll go ahead and get into all of that info. We'll take a look around the site so that you know how to use it and where to look for stuff. But before we get to that, I'm going to go ahead and ask that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you tap the notification bell so that you can stay up to date on the latest work from home opportunities. I post weekly work from home hot leads for companies that are hiring, as well as work from home information that I think you'll find valuable. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in.
All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. We are at the AppJobs website, and when you get to the website, the very first thing you will see is a search bar where you will enter either your city or your zip code, and that is how it is going to organize the jobs for you. Now, I absolutely love this feature about the website because for those of us who watch my hot work from home opportunities videos, the hot leads videos, at the very beginning of each lead, I always specify if it's open United States wide, or if it's global, or if it's just for certain areas. Even though these are work from home opportunities, they're remote opportunities, some companies have stipulations on where they will hire for work from home. So what I love about this feature is you don't have to worry about, is this opportunity available in my area? It's already sorted that out for you. And that way, we can just kind of avoid the letdown when we see, it's not for my area. So I love that feature. And then when you scroll down, you will see that they have different reputable companies on this website. So Airbnb, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Lyft, TipTap, Deliveroo. And we've heard about, a few of these or all of these. And then we see that they have information on how you apply, how it works. So find your city, select the job you're interested in, sign up and start working. And then just further down, they have a few of the categories, but they have so many more, and we will see that momentarily. And then they also have the different areas, and it knows like which cities you're closest to. I'm in Atlanta, so these are all very close to me. And so let's just go ahead and go up to the top here. And I'm going to type in my zip code, and I'm going to demonstrate what I will see or what you will see when you type in your zip code. And then it gives me some options, and Atlanta is the city. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it's thinking here, and it has all these different opportunities. Now, I can organize it by the opportunity, or I can just say, show me everything. And you would just click all categories, and then you can just browse through everything. This is great, especially if you're not sure what kind of opportunity you're looking for, but you want something else and you're open, and you can browse from so many different opportunities, and they're available in your area. Now, a couple of things about this. This website, it has opportunities available for you to do at home. So you can do this in a home-based office. And then a lot of these are remote friendly, meaning that you don't necessarily have to be at home when you do it. You can take your work with you. And then they have opportunities that are open for your area. So they're not necessarily at home, but they're in your area. So an example of that would be like driving for Uber. You don't go into an office when you work or drive for Uber, but it is something that is done in your area. And these are examples of the type of like opportunities you'll see on here. So I just want to let you know that not all of these are specifically at home. Some are in your area, and I'll show you how you can tell what is what. So I'm just going to go ahead and organize it by teaching. So I'm going to click on teaching. That's what I did online for over 2 years. I was an online tutor. I taught the SAT and the ACT and all the other tests, and I really enjoyed it. It was so much fun, and it was a remote opportunity. I didn't have to be at home doing it. As long as I had a stable internet connection, I could take it wherever I went, and I did. Now, looking here, we see they've got several different teaching opportunities, and you can tell if it is online or if it's in the area just by looking at the description. So it says, make money as a math tutor in Atlanta with Yup. So that would be something that's like area-based, like local-based. And then you see this one, Preply, for example. This one would be like online, savvy. This one would definitely be online, teach online and earn money. I'm familiar with Preply, so you can do that one online. And then you could, just browse all the other ones. Udemy, that's online. And, let's pretend like we want to take a look at the savvy opportunity here. We would just click on read more, and then it will redirect us to more information about it. So it says, you have knowledge of math, business, HTML by signing up for Savvy. You can connect with learners who would pay for taking lessons with you. And then it says, how much would you earn? So every opportunity is going to tell you exactly how much you will earn and what it takes to sign up. And I love the fact that they just have it so straight to the point, like, cut to the chase. I want to know about the money. So they have it listed right here, and you can see this one, for example, you would make between $40 and $250 per hour, and you would receive your money via PayPal. Whoa, that's a lot of money. So they also have it to where you can look at the reviews on the company if someone has left a review. This one no one has reviewed just yet. And then they also have like a discussion section, and it doesn't look like anyone started a discussion here, but you can imagine for the opportunities like Uber or maybe DoorDash or something like that, if that's something you're interested in, you always want to know, like, what is someone who's actually doing it, like what is their opinion? And you would be able to see that in those areas, and you could even start the discussion. And if you were interested in this and you were ready to apply, all you would have to do is click on quick apply, and from there you will either sign in via your Facebook or your Google, or you would just make a account directly from AppJobs, and it would just go through your standard application process from there.
Okay, so there you have it. That is the AppJobs.com platform, and you see it is organized by region. So it completely takes out the guesswork when it comes to applying to remote opportunities and having to figure out, is this opportunity open in my area? We know a lot of jobs, even though they are work from home, they are remote, they still have a region like specification. So I really like the platform for that reason, because it's just so disappointing when there's that perfect opportunity and then we scroll down and see it's only open for like a few states and ours isn't listed. And just a couple of tips, whenever applying to opportunities, make sure that you take the extra time before submitting your resume and cover letter to customize it just a little bit. Even if you're applying to several opportunities that are customer service, for example, you still want to take that time to speak directly to that opportunity that you're applying to. And that can help you get hired sooner. It doesn't look like you're just blindly sending out your resume, but you took time to actually read through the job lead and make sure that you pinpointed some of the areas that they're looking for in a candidate. And when you do that on your resume and on your cover letter, it's just a recipe for success. So those are just a couple of tips when applying to jobs, but definitely check out appjobs.com and browse around in your area and check back to the website, because they update all the time and it's just a really great resource on our remote job search. So if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, share it. You never know who on your social media is looking for a job, and they could find the perfect opportunity for them at AppJobs.com. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.
Hey, before you go, make sure you check the description box below for a link to my free 10-page ebook. It is a complete checklist for all of the work from home equipment that you may need to get started in your very own opportunity. Talk soon.